Japan continues to be shaken. A strong earthquake of magnitude 6.2 occurred in Japan at a depth of 10 kilometers below sea level. The earthquake occurred at a depth of about 10 kilometers 6 miles off the northeastern coast of Amami-Oshima Island. Shaking was also felt in the central Ryukyu Islands and southern Kyushu. There were no immediate reports of a tsunami warning, but strong undersea earthquakes carry the risk of large waves washing ashore. Since midnight, there have been 6 earthquakes ranging in magnitude from 2.4 to 6 in the past 5 hours. Japan is located in a very seismically active area and is frequently affected by earthquakes.